Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about consumer maintain buffer when calculating dependencies in Odoo 19 project module. Let's dive into the project module, and from the project module, let's consider the project resource and development. So once it's been selected over here, you can find different tasks that has been created, and here you can see a new icon. So this indicates that the task is blocked as another task is unfinished. So as you just move on to the Gantt view, here you would be able to find the tasks are dependent with each other. And as some of the tasks is not finished, that is the dependent task is not finished. Once the task is completed only, we can just move on with the other task with the dependencies showing with these lines over here. And from here, we can also say that we can just consume or maintain buffer when calculating the dependencies. So if you want to create a new task for this project, you can easily create that, and let's name it as task 3. And once it's been set over here, you can save this. So you can see the task 3 is created over here. And if you want to show any dependencies, you can also just easily mark the dependency. Okay, so let me mark the dependency over here, and we have just done with that. And if you want to just auto reschedule the by keeping the buffer, we can just do that, or we can just go with auto reschedule by using the buffer, or we can just go with the option manual rescheduling. So if you're just going with manual rescheduling, nothing gonna happen over here. We have to do everything manually. So these are the changes that we can find under Odoo 19 project module, that is consuming or maintaining buffer when calculating dependencies in Odoo 19. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. Thank you for watching the video.